All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Journeys to the Sunshine State of Florida may come to an end. Journeys to the championship may continue. BMS Thomas, your leader, the McStrally. Remember them from all them big events. Rock FPV 3rd, Race Spot 4th, JTFPV 5th, Night Flyer 6th, Drobot Racer 7th. And we're going to get on that lead lap here in a moment with FPV Davis. Everyone working on lap number 2 as we go across here in just a bit. Well, that wind picking up a little bit on our fields here. Now I'm watching McStrally just ahead of BMS Thomas heading over here to the tunnel. He's going to take the lead ahead of BMS Thomas onto lap number 3. They're 1 and 2 with breathing room. Then you got JTFPV moving up a peg at the number 3 spot. Race Spot FPV moving up to the number 4 spot. And now Rock FPV is 2.5 seconds back in the number 5 spot. Then Drobot Racer, he is about 4 seconds out of that top 4. And this is a do or die heat. Not top 4. That is where we're watching. In the top 4, we're racing for a bunch more, and now I'm hearing some oohs and ahs. Let's look to our gate. It's McStrally in the 1, BMS Thomas in the number 2 spot. A finish at 1.4, very nice. Rock FPV and JT FPV grabbing the number 3 and 4 spot, and they will move on to your next one. I think they get a break of 1. I think, yeah, they get to come back on race number 28. No channel changes. And how about a nice Sebring send-off here for Race Spot FPV, Drobot Racer, Night Flyer, and FPV Davis. They're about inside of the top 15. A good finish for them. Drone racing with some exciting moments right there. We're hearing some oohs and ahs, and